Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to Zelle, how to cancel pending payment. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now if you send a payment using Zelle and need to cancel it, the ability to depends so on whether the payment has already been completed or if it is still pending. Now check the payment status. If the payment is still pending, then you might be able to cancel it. In order to cancel it, all you gotta do is choose the payment you want to cancel and then select cancel this payment. Now once a payment is completed, it cannot be cancelled or reversed to Zelle. Now if you can't cancel your pending payment and have sent to another person, what you need to do is call your customer service or simply visit the support or chat with the support team and then explain about the problem and they will fix your issue. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below. The next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.